Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Hamilton Beach 8-quart Programmable Slow Cooker, a versatile kitchen companion perfect for family meals, potlucks, and parties. With its large 8-quart capacity, this slow cooker can handle everything from lasagna and desserts to large cuts of meat, comfortably fitting an 8-pound chicken or a 6-pound roast, serving over 10 people with ease. The flexible programming options allow you to mix and match warm, low, or high heat settings with adjustable cooking times ranging from 30 minutes to 18 hours, and the convenient countdown timer on the LED display keeps you informed on how long until your food is ready. Once cooking is complete, the slow cooker automatically switches to the warm setting, so you can set it and forget it without any need for watching or stirring. Designed for easy transport, it features full grip handles, and cleaning is a breeze with a removable stoneware crock and glass lid that are both dishwasher safe, while the touchpad easily wipes clean. Whether you're preparing lasagna, homemade chili, beef stew, barbecue, or macaroni and cheese, this slow cooker makes creating delicious one-pot meals simple and convenient. So, if you're looking to elevate your cooking experience with minimal effort, the Hamilton Beach 8-quart Programmable Slow Cooker is your go-to solution for hassle-free, flavorful meals. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.